Hi, AI is everywhere today, from generating text to writing code, even building entire websites in seconds. And now a lot of people are asking the big question, will coders be replaced? The answer is yes and no at the same time. Yes, if you are a coder who only types lines of code, AI can take over some of that work, automating repetitive tasks, generating boilerplate, even catching bugs faster than ever. But if you are a coder who solves problems, designs systems, and creates real-world solutions, AI becomes your greatest ally rather than a replacement. Coding is more than just typing lines of code. It's about problem-solving, creativity, designing architectures, and understanding real-world challenges. These are things AI cannot do on its own. So, if you've ever thought about learning to code, or wondered if it's still worth it in the age of AI, this video will show you exactly why now is the best time to start. Now, let's look at the tools shaping coding today. Tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, Tab9, Codium, and more are no longer just fancy names. Developers use them every day. They autocomplete your code, suggest fixes, even generate entire chunks of boilerplate when you describe what you want. Sometimes they help fix bugs or refactor code so your work is cleaner. And the numbers show real impact. One major study, measuring GitHub Copilot's impact on productivity, ACM, found that many developers using Copilot reported finishing tasks faster, that tedious parts of their work required less mental effort. Also, a report on real teams showed up to 50% time saved in tasks like code documentation and auto-completion, and 30 to 40% time reduction in repetitive coding tasks like unit test writing, debugging, and similar. Companies like Microsoft and Accenture reported a 26% increase in completed pull requests per week when developers used Copilot, and the total project cycle time shortened. So what does this tell us? AI is a powerful assistant. It handles repetitive work, suggests better solutions, and allows you to focus on the creative, challenging, and fun parts of coding. For beginners, this is exciting. It means you can learn faster, build projects efficiently, and still be fully in control. Of course, some people worry. Does this mean coders are done? A survey showed that over 70% of developers fear AI might replace them one day. But here's the reality. Most developers who actually use AI don't see it as a threat. A Stack Overflow report found that while 76% of developers use AI tools, around 70% believe AI won't replace their jobs. Instead, they see it as a smart assistant, a superpowered helper, not a competitor. So where's the limit? AI is excellent at tasks with clear patterns, generating boilerplate. It quickly produces repetitive code structures like templates or setup files, saving you from boring, manual work. Suggesting syntax AI makes coding faster by auto-completing commands and reminding you of the right syntax. Debugging simple issues. Small errors like typos, missing brackets, or wrong variable names can be caught and fixed almost instantly. Writing small utility functions. For common tasks, like formatting or sorting, AI delivers clean and usable code right away. But when it comes to deeper human skills, AI still has limits. Designing system architecture with trade-offs and constraints, AI doesn't yet make nuanced choices about scalability, performance, or security. Humans still guide the big picture design. Understanding business logic, the why behind a feature. It can generate code, but the reasoning behind features usually requires human understanding of the business or users. Creative problem solving, inventing new solutions, AI relies on patterns it has seen before, while real innovation and out-of-the-box thinking still need human creativity. Maintaining large projects with history and collaboration, AI can assist, but it doesn't manage long-term context, teamwork, or the evolving story of a big project. And just to be clear, I'm not saying AI will never do these things, but right now there are still limits, and coding will always need a human touch. In short, AI is powerful, but it's not a software architect. It can't replace human creativity and judgment. And here's the exciting part. This is an opportunity. If you're learning coding today, you're not just learning to type code. You're learning to work with AI, review its output, and turn pieces of code into real, working solutions. Think of AI like a calculator for programmers. Just like calculators didn't replace math, AI won't replace coding. it raises the level of what humans can do. So the future of coding with AI, is it an opportunity or a threat? It's both, depending on how you see it. If you only type code line by line, AI might replace some of that work. But if you're a problem solver, a designer, a creator, AI becomes your most powerful tool. That's why now is the best time to learn coding. Use AI as your assistant, but focus on the big picture, solving problems, building systems, and creating value. And remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. The same goes for learning to code. Start now, and you'll reap the benefits in the future. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Do you see AI as an opportunity or a threat for coders?